Have you ever wondered who really controls this world? No, it's not the president of USA, not Jeff Bezos, not Elon Musk. The answer is a name that most people have never ever heard of. The BlackRock. This company quietly managed $10 trillion. That's the more money than the GDP of India and Japan combined. They don't make iPhones, they don't sell Coca-Cola, but they own almost every company you know. From Apple to Amazon, from Tesla to Google. And here's the shocking part. They influence government, control housing prices, and even have an AI system that predict the future of markets. So the real question is, how does a company that almost nobody knows control everything you touch? Today I will take you inside the secret empire of BlackRock, a story of power, control, and the future of capitalism. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will never see the world the same way again. So let's get started. This story begins in 1988. A man named Larry Fink had a simple but revolutionary idea, helping big investors manage their money by reducing risk. At that time, investment banking was a very risky game. People were losing billions of dollars. Larry had already tasted failure. He lost $100 million at his previous job. But instead of quitting, he learned. So he created a system where risk could be measured scientifically. That's how BlackRock company started. Not as a giant, but as a risk management company. Fast forward 30 years. Now BlackRock manages more money than any bank in the world. How? Because every government, every big corporation, even your retirement fund trust them. But what makes this more interesting is BlackRock company does not only manage money, they own almost everything. If you are using an iPhone, drinking Coca-Cola, and even watching Netflix right now, chances are you are indirectly putting money in the BlackRock's pocket. But this is only the surface. What if I told you the BlackRock company is not alone? There are two other giants, and together they create a triangle of power that control the global economy. Let me introduce the big three. BlackRock, Vanguard, and the State Street. Together, they are called the Big Three. These three companies own shares in almost every major corporation in the world. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Coca-Cola, and even defense companies that build fighter jets. You know what this means? When companies fight for market shares, the same few investors always win. It's like watching the two cricket teams fighting on the field. But what if the both teams are owned by the same person? That's not competition, that's control. And it gets crazier because these companies don't just control businesses, they influence politics, policies, and even your daily life decisions. But wait, how they control so much without anyone's knowing? The answer is a secret AI system that almost sounds like a science fiction. Meet Aladdin, the brain behind BlackRock. Now, if you think BlackRock's power is only about money, you are wrong. Because their real power comes from something even scarier. A super intelligent AI system called Aladdin. Aladdin is not a fairy tale. It's a software system that controls 21 trillion worth of assets. Yes, $21 trillion. Double the size of BlackRock's own portfolio. This system tracks everything. Stock movement, political changes, and even the weather. Because these factors affect the economy. It predicts the risk and it tells BlackRock and its client what to buy and what to sell, sometime before the market even realize it. Governments use Aladdin, banks use Aladdin, even your pension fund is probably being managed by Aladdin and you don't even know it. Think about this. When the 2008 financial crisis happened, Aladdin did not just survive, it became the hero. Government called BlackRock for advice and since then its influence has only grown. Now if you think AI like ChatGPT is powerful, imagine an AI that predicts global crashes before they happen. That's the power BlackRock owns. Here's where it gets even crazier. BlackRock does not just control companies, it controls countries. How? Through policy influence. In 2020, when the US government needs someone to manage the COVID bailout money, who did they call? BlackRock. When Europe needs advice on climate strategy, Guess who wrote the plan? BlackRock. And it's not just advice, they use this power to push their own agenda. Want an example? ESG. ESG stands for Environmental, Social and Governance. Sounds good, right? But in reality, it gives BlackRock the power to decide which company live and which company die. If any company don't meet ESG standards, BlackRock says, sorry, no funding. Even politicians are scared. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink literally said in an interview, you have to force behavior. Force behavior, that's not capitalism, that's control. Next time you complain about high rent, remember this. BlackRock is quietly buying up homes across America, making you a tenant in their empire. Now imagine a future where BlackRock's vision becomes reality. A world where you own nothing and you are happy. Sounds familiar? That's the World Economic Forum 2030 agenda. And guess who is deeply connected with those plans? BlackRock. This is not just a company, it's an empire shaping economics, politics, and even your personal life. But the real question is, can anyone stop them, or are we already too late? Okay, you are probably thinking, why should I care? I am not a billionaire, I don't own a company. Here's why. Your mutual funds managed by BlackRock. Your pension probably invested through them. Even the cost of your next home or your next job could be influenced by their policies. So what you can do? First, educate yourself. Understand where your money is going. Second, diversify. Don't blindly invest in stocks or index funds. Third, stay aware. Because knowledge is the only power you have in a world that run by trillion-dollar shadows. BlackRock is not a company, it's a silent empire. Bigger than tech giants, more powerful than governments, and yet most people have never ever heard its name. Now tell me, do you think BlackRock is more powerful than the governments? Comment yes or no below and share this video because the world needs to wake up. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If this video hit you, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.